Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father. You're about to die. Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, or I'll cut you. Today we're doing Iceland. Greenland is ice and Iceland is very nice. We're gonna make Vínarterta. It is a layered cookie with a prune filling. So yeah, it's got a prune filling. I feel like prunes get a bad rap. Prunes are synonymous usually with constipation. You know, you always have the character who's like, you know, I was having my morning prunes, hoping for the best, you know. So if it makes you feel better, we can call it dried plums, because that's all a prune is. It's gonna be so great. Yeah, why? Yeah, why? Focus. Okay, let's do this. Oh, and the fun thing about this, I don't know. So typically this is made, oh my God, stab me in the eyeball. Oh my God. So the fun thing, about this question mark is it's actually, it's made to be made. It's intended to be made several days in advance, because you just let it sit and do its thing, and then the the cookie softens and the flavors get more, together. What did I eat today? It's typically made during the winter. Obviously right now it is like full swing on summer, but I can dream, okay? In my head, in my mind, in up here, I'm dreaming of snow. So much. I don't like the summer. But anyways, I'm going to stop talking and make some cookies. Okay? Okay. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 layers. As I said before, this is meant to be made ahead. And then, you know, you let it soften and sit and do its thing. But for the sake of time, I'm gonna try it now. Do you just pick it up and eat it? I'm gonna snag a couple of layers. Okay. I mean, it's like a fancy fig Newton, but not really because they're plum. But not really because they're dried out. So they're prunes. Dana Andrews said prunes. Gave him the runes. Okay. I'm gonna go get my basket, so let's see what we're making next week. Yay! Oh, I'm excited. Sorry. I forgot this one was in there. Even though it was one of the ones when I first started doing it, I was like, I know what I'm making for this country. We're doing turkey, Turkish delight. Gonna find out if it's worth selling out your whole family over. From Lion, Witch, and the Wardrobe. Narnia. No? Okay. It was very easy, but tedious. Easy, but tedious. But yeah. Okay, I'll give it a good, 6 out of 10. I mean, it tastes good, but it's a bit fiddly. Just with the layers. I mean, I guess if you had like a bigger oven, and if you don't mind covering your entire kitchen in flour, then like 8 out of 10. Herky's dreaming. Okay, I'm gonna get out of here. I got a lot of stuff to clean up, and then I gotta go to the store and get stuff to make a cake for my sister-in-law for her birthday. But hope you guys are doing well, staying cool, because it's hot. And if you're somewhere where it's not hot, I am very envious of you. Can I come over? I gotta go. I'll see you next Tuesday. Yeah. Okay, bye.